Tony, we're going to Texas right now. We have to go right now.
Right now.
Right now. Like literally, let's just go. We're going to Texas. Wait, hold on. You have to book the flights first. I forgot to book the flights.
Typical. Right now.
You're not gonna ask me why we're going to Texas?
Nope. Not really. But why are we going to Texas?
Wait, you don't care? We're just going to Texas?
If you pull me up to go to Texas, I know it's something exciting, so I don't really care.
Listen, you know that I'm taking you to Texas because we got business to do.
Oh, have you met Entrepreneur?
Not Robbie. We're not going to do shit in Texas with Robbie because Robbie's gonna stay here and make a car booking once this week, please. Once this week. Last night at about 3 o'clock in the last afternoon, about 3 o'clock, I got a text message saying that there was a hypercar that was wrecked, and I got a video, and it was really, really sad, but everybody's okay. That's a good thing. I am a very avid hypercar buyer, so I needed to make sure that we could get this car, and I think we're going to get this car.
What car is it?
It's your favorite car that I don't like.
No, we have enough of those, Rob.
We have enough of those. It's a Pagani Huayra. Now, it's a cool car, I guess, because I want the opportunity to rebuild it. Okay, it's not really a cool car to drive. Those cars suck, and that's why I got into an accident, because those cars suck. All right, but it's really, really cool because it's purple on tan. And you know why that's a good thing? It's
very
gonna
significant.
match a really cool car that I have someone in the back.
Purple on tan.
Purple on tan.
So it's the car we've been looking at on the internet, looking at purple on tan.
Well, it was supposedly a one of one, but I think it's actually a one of two.
Yeah.
Because the one we've been looking at is in the Europe somewhere.
I also don't think that one was exposed car.
I don't know. Doesn't really matter. We still have to go to Texas, so can you please book our flights?
Let's do it.
So much better looking. Wait, did I get taller? Must be his confidence. Manscaped, I love you. Oh, look at that. Sculpt like a man. I love this stuff. Manscaped.
Here at Royalty Exotic Cars, we are all about performance, and so is Manscaped. That's why they introduced their best product ever in the Manscaped Performance Package. My jingle balls are thanking me this holiday season because not only does it include the Lawnmower 3.0, their newest and best technology, not only is the Lawnmower 3.0 lit with an LED light, it is cordless, waterproof, and it's built with the advanced skin-safe technology, which helps reduce nicks and cuts on your man parts. Now, to cover everything else, you have your Weed Whacker. It's your nose and ear trimmer, also built with that same skin-safe technology. Here's another stocking stuffer for you. It's the Crop Preserver. Crop Preserver Ball Deodorant and Crop Reviver Ball Toner Spray is included. So another 2 amazing stocking stuffers. Manscaped is no longer for just below-the-belt trimming, fellas. Now, they have included the Shears 2.0 luxury stainless steel nail kit, so you can keep your face, nails, and everything in between groomed. If you got that special man in your life, or you're just shopping for yourself this holiday season, get yourself the Manscaped Performance Package. Don't wait. Go to manscaped.com, use Royalty promo code ROYALTY20 for 20% off your 2 free gifts and free international shipping.
It's 2 hours and 40 minutes.
It takes that long to get to Dallas?
Well, hopefully it goes faster. Maybe they'll get there in 2 hours and 20 minutes.
Let's go, American Airlines, and we're flying American Airlines. We gotta go through TSA and stuff.
Dude, that's so gay, right?
You can't say that on the internet
I need
these
to
days.
get this Royalty Airlines up so we can just take our own plane.
Hey, Jarvis, take me to Dallas.
For you, sir, always.
Now, all right. I hate flying. So full disclosure, I actually don't know if we're gonna be able to make a deal on this car. I've been in communication with Gage, the guy who actually wrecked the car, and he seems really optimistic that we can make a deal. But I'm a little nervous that there's certain areas of the car from pictures I can't see. So I'm kind of having one of those moments when I bought a hypercar about 7 months ago that I probably should have went out and looked at.
A little bit.
And, you know, I bought that one sight unseen, and I don't regret it, but I'm going through some stuff with that car. And I really wish that I would have gone out there. Ironically, it was in Texas also. Wish I would have gone out there and checked it out. But today, not gonna make the same mistake. Plus, this car's double the price. So we're gonna make that this long journey, 2 hours and 40 minutes. Hey, what gates are we? Do we have tickets?
That's a good question.
Did you even book the flights?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. I forgot. I didn't even know if we booked them or not. We made it to Dallas, Texas after a grueling 17 million hour flight. It was 2 hours and 7 minutes, but literally, like, we were on the plane forever, the whole day. We got out of here at
We left at 1:50.
1:50, and now it's like 1700.
Yeah.
That'd be 5 o'clock.
It's Friday.
It's Friday.
We left on
Exactly. We're waiting for our ride, hoping that this is going to be our ride, but it's probably not going to be our ride. Looks like it's someone's chauffeur. So not us today, but if you're getting dropped off at the airport in Cullinan, at the public airport, you're probably at the wrong.
Yeah, I'm a little
You're in the
confused
wrong.
about how that all works. Like, this is a really nice car, and public airport, very big one at that.
Yeah, you're doing the wrong thing in life, right? But it's all good. That's got to be a
Checker
limo.
coat.
Coat's fresh.
But
The
like,
coat's super fresh.
you couldn't.
I don't know. I'm not sure what we're going on. Maybe they're going international. Probably not though. You know? I'm not sure. Let's just see. I just want to see the car drive away. I like this white. Guys.
White grill, white emblems.
Oh, I love the wheels. Super sick. It's all white, everything. Man, I gotta go get a purple Cullinan, huh?
Clean car.
God damn. I feel so broke when I don't
Right?
have like the coolest car.
Standing at the public airport.
I'm like sitting here waiting for our
Yeah.
Range Rover. God damn it. Anyways, we're gonna make our way as soon as we get picked up over to the spot where the car is being held. So let's just get there as fast as possible because I'm getting hungry. I like that centerpiece thing. Let's flip this wheel down here. Yeah, you need the hub and everything. Brake, the whole nine. Most of the damage came from the car right here. The physical door itself is kind of fucked, but I mean, you could probably salvage most of that. This is the under panel for the roof. But I mean, I don't know, like, if that makes sense. You know, what number makes sense? All right, so first, let me apologize for ending the video this way. Unfortunately, I took Tony with me, and well, he is not a cinematographer. So Mario, being the amazing photographer and video artist that he is allowing us to shoot the last scene that we shot really poorly with the Huayra. So I'm gonna go over a couple things, start from the beginning. Now, I flew out to Dallas, Texas. Immediately after I saw this accident, I contacted the owner, which was really nice, by the way. And unfortunately, you know, he had a pretty poor accident, and it was a big ordeal, and it's all over the internet, so it's no surprise. But I absolutely love purchasing wrecked hypercars and or really expensive cars because I kind of have a lot of parts for them around here, and I really like rebuilding them. It's really fun, and they make really good projects. So I flew out there, I went to go get this car, and I was fully prepared to trade my red Bugatti Veyron for it because I felt like it would have been a really good value, right? The Pagani Huayra Roadster, purple on tan, is gonna be a beautiful color combo, but it's also probably worth about $3 million in fair condition. Now this car obviously was not worth that much, so I thought maybe it's worth about $800,000 to $950,000, maybe $1 million, right? So I thought, oh, I'll trade the red Veyron, and then I'll get this car, we'll fix it up, and it'll be cool. So I get there, and we see the car. Now, from the pictures, it's really hard to tell what's actually wrong with the car. Now I know quite a bit about these cars and the way they're built, and so when you look at the pictures, the biggest deterrent is the tub. Now I'm going to kind of show you, this is the worst example ever, but I don't have any cars around here right now with the carbon monocoque, so I can't really explain to you other than just showing you on a Huracan. This portion, right, of the car is all one piece. It's the tub. So the tub is the central point of the vehicle that holds, it's like the frame in a modern day hypercar. When that wheel, okay, the car only hit this tree at about 30 miles an hour. When that wheel hit here, it cracked the tub all the way down here and it split it right here. And inside the car, there is a speaker for the Huayra here. It actually pushed the tub so far that the speaker part, which is separate from the tub, was also cracked. And all of that carbon there is not really repairable. Sure, you can go in there, you can repair it, you know, it just won't be road worthy. You know, it's a $3 million car. Do you want to ghetto rig it? Absolutely not. So the tub would have to be replaced. The only person in the world that could replace that tub is Horatio Pagani themselves. They have to send it back to the factory. That was the biggest deterrent. The second is the car was exposed purple carbon. It was damaged in this area here, and it was obviously damaged in the front. So it needed the front clamshell, the front bumper, the rear clamshell, and there was a missing side rocker here, plus the other damages around. The door was physically off the car. I think we have some footage of the door. You had to replace all of this, and the only person that could really do it to make it exposed purple carbon was Pagani. So you're looking at well over $1 million, $1.5 million to rebuild this car. So I think it's not a buyer for, I'm not a buyer for that car. Even if it was even a couple $100,000, it probably still wouldn't buy it, because there's really no way to like get that car back to where it's got any value besides sending it to them. So I think the owner of the car just really needs to just send it back to the factory and build it, because he obviously is going to be the one taking the most loss. So I think if he just sends it back to Pagani, he'll get his value out of it. It'll take a year probably to have them rebuild it, but it'll at least be worth it to him, you know, to have that car, and he won't lose millions of dollars on the value of that. So at the end of the day, it was a fun trip. I really enjoyed meeting the guys out there, and I think that Gage was real positive, and his dad was real cool about the whole situation, a lot more than my dad would have been. I don't know if you guys watching, but like my dad's like from Italy, and he wouldn't even let me touch his like 1994 5 Series BMW, which was like 150,000 miles back when I had my driver's license when I was 16. So I'm not sure he would have ever even let me sit in a hypercar of that value. But you know, I'm really proud of Gage for being 17 and handling that like a man. You know, like he wrecked the car and he came out and he was really cool about it. So good luck to him fixing that car. And you guys really should give him some love on his channel. He's pretty intelligent for how old he is. So GG Exotics is his YouTube channel. And hopefully when he comes to Vegas, we'll make some cool car content together, because I'd really love to surround myself with some like-minded car guys.